have been teaching for last 7 years and I have seen that most of the students, they have a fear of solving quadratic equations, which method to use, completing the square, factoring or quadratic formula, and when it comes to word problems, they like, how should we do it? So guys, here I am with you for you, and today we'll be starting quadratic equations and we'll be discussing each and every topic. My name is Vijay. Let's get started. So the first question that comes into mind is, what is a quadratic function? So any function with degree 2, whose degree is 2. Degree means highest power of the variable. So any function which has the highest power of the variable as 2, that is called a quadratic function. For example, let's say we have a function fx equals 2x square plus 3x plus 2. This is a quadratic function. Let's say we have fx equals 4x square minus 2. This is a quadratic function because the degree is 2. The degree is 2. Now let's say we have a function fx equals 2x minus 4. Is it a quadratic function? No, this is a linear function because when the degree is 1, the highest power of the variable is 1, that is called a linear function. So it is not a quadratic function. Let's say we have fx equals 4. Is it a quadratic function? No, it is a constant function because there is no variable, or you can say the degree, the power of the variable, the exponent of the variable is 0. That is why anything raised to power 0 is 1. So that becomes equals to 4. So that is a constant function. It is not a quadratic function, neither it is a linear function. And let's say we have a function fx equals 3x cube plus 2x square minus 3x plus 2. Is it a quadratic function? The power is 2 here, but it is not a quadratic function because the degree is 3. We always check the highest power. Highest power is 3, so this is a cubic function. Cubic function. It is not a quadratic function. So the highest power must be 2. Only then it is a quadratic function. So in the next video, we'll discuss about various forms of quadratic functions. What are the various forms? Standard form, vertex form, and there are many forms. So we'll discuss all those in the next video. Please keep watching. Please subscribe the channel and do share this video to as many students as you can. Thank you.